with me and my best friends.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3. Count with me.
Huh?
4, 5, 6.
Stop. You're not singing it right, Paula.
But I sound great. 1, 2, 3. Count with me.
Why don't you do it like this, Paula? 1, 2, 3, count with me.
1, 2, 3. Count with me.
I guess that's a little better. Let's all try it again.
1, 2, 3. Count with me. 4, 5, 6.
That
Count
sounds like the
this.
phone.
7 and 8. Oh. Hello? This is Paula.
Hello, Paula. It's Mr. Farmer. There's a loud, awful noise ringing throughout the farm. Can you find out where it's coming from and stop it?
Sure, Mr. Farmer. We'll be right there.
I don't hear any loud, awful noises.
It's not so bad.
It's really bad, and it's affecting my animals. Daisy can't give milk. Wolfie is not eating, and my horses are doing that. Please, make it stop.
Don't worry, Mr. Farmer. We'll get to the bottom of this. Come on, guys. Let's follow the sound to see where it's coming from.
Oh, man, my ears. I hope we find whatever's making that noise soon.
Here's a clue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 feathers.
Mr. Bird?
Oh, hi, children. You're just in time. I've just been warming up my voice so I can share this song with everyone.
It's okay. We don't need to hear it.
Don't be silly. It's no problem at all. I love my blue bow tie, blue bow tie, blue bow tie. I love blue bow tie and blueberries.
Wow, that was great, Mr. Bird.
Yippee!
Actually, you need to stop singing. You're disturbing Mr. Farmer and his animals.
Oh,
But maybe we can help you sing softer so you won't disturb them.
you can? Yes, please.
La 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 la.
La 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 la.
No, that's too loud. It's like this. La 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 la.
That's what I did. La 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 la.
I think the numbers can help us. Billy, you sing and we'll see how loud you are.
La 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 la.
Okay, Mr. Bird, you have to keep your volume at 8 or under.
Okay. La 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 la.
Stop! You're too loud.
Sorry.
If only there was some way we could stop sound from going everywhere.
I know. We can use these hay bales to build a special studio. You won't be able to hear anybody outside, and they won't be able to hear you either. You can sing as loudly as you want.
That's a great idea.
Let's begin. 1, 2,
3, 4,
5, 6.
7.
8. Ta-da! Congratulations, Mr. Bird. You now have your own singing studio. Try it out.
Thank you. This is so exciting. La 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 la. Ah! Is this how I sound like? No wonder no one wants to hear my singing.
Do you hear that, Wolfie? It's the sweet sound of silence. Ah, children, thank you for taking care of that awful noise. Finally, some peace and quiet.
You're welcome, Mr. Farmer.
Oh, look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bunnies.
No, these carrots aren't for you. Children, stop the bunnies from eating my carrots.
We're on it.
Shoo! Go away!
Sorry, bunnies. You can't eat these carrots.
We need more help. Oh, I've got just the thing.
Shoo, shoo, these carrots are not for you.
Looks like your singing chased that bunny away.
You're right, Billy. Shoo, shoo, these carrots are not for you. It works.
This will chase the bunnies away.
Huh? Scarecrows don't scare bunnies, only crows.
Oh, but I know who can. Hi, Mr. Bird. We need you to sing.
But I thought nobody wanted me to sing anymore.
Now they do. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Sing with me. 4, 5, 6.
I love singing.
Don't worry, just be yourself.
Yeah, be loud and proud.
Really? Okay. I love singing all day long.
Louder, Mr. Bird. All
All day long. All day long. I love singing all day long. Who doesn't love this song?
This is great.
I love singing
Goodbye, bunnies.
all day long. Who doesn't love this song?
Yay! Our voices are